Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is 1 over a plus 1 over b. This is equal to 1 over 10. And given that a and b, these are members of positive integers, and that a is greater than 0 and b is greater than 0. Now, solution from here. The question here is, what is the value of a plus b? So let's determine what is the value of a plus b. Solution from here, we have 1 over a plus 1 over b. This is equal to 1 over 10. The first step from here, let's multiply both signs by 1 over b. So that now here, we will have a times b, then also here times ab. So that now here, we will have ab divided by a plus ab divided by b. This is equal to 1 times ab. This is ab over 10. So let's simplify here. A and a simplifies. So you have b plus b and b will simplify. So plus a. This is equal to ab over 10. The next step is to multiply both signs by 10. So here multiplying by 10. So that if you simplify here, we'll have 10 times b, which is 10b, plus 10 times a, which is 10a. This is equal to AB. The next step is to take 10b plus 10a on the right hand side, which is the same thing as AB subtract 10b, subtract 10a. This is equal to 0. Now, in order for us to factorize this particular equation, we need to add, we need to add and subtract 100, which is 10 times 10. So here we have AB subtract 10b subtract 10a plus 100 subtract 100. This is equal to 0. So now as you can see here, we have b and b is common here. So we can factor out b. So you'll have b into the bracket a subtract 10. The second part here, we have 10 and 10 is common here. So subtract 10. Now here we'll have a subtract 10. Now we have minus 100. We take minus 100 on the right hand side. So this is equal to 100. So now from here, we have that. From here we have b minus 10. So we have b minus 10. And we have a minus 10. So this is equal to 100. So the next step is to get factors of 100. Let's get the prime factors of 100. So here we have 100 times 1. Then this follows, we have 1 times 100. Then we have 50 times 2. If you say 50 times 2 is the same thing as 100. We also have 2 times 50. We also have 25 times 4. We also have 4 times 25. We'll have the same thing as 100. Then we also have 10 times 10. So here we have case 1. We have case 2. We have case 3. We have case 4. We have case 5. And we have case 6, and lastly we have case 7. Remember that a and b, these are members of positive integers. So that is why we don't have another case of negative 100 times 1, negative 1. So we have 7 cases here. So let's start with case 1. Let's start with case 1 here. Case 1, we have 100 times 1. We have b minus 10. We have a minus 10. This is equal to 100 times 1. So this means that here we have b minus 10. This is equal to 100. And we have a minus 10. This is equal to 1. So here we have b will be equal to 100 plus 10. And this is equal to 110. A minus 10 is equal to 1. So that means that a is equal to 1 plus 10. This is equal to 11. So the question here is, what is a plus b? So a plus b here, this is the same thing as 110 plus 11. And this gives us a total of 121. So this is the solution to case 1. Let's proceed to case 2. Now let's proceed to case 2 here, which is b minus 10. We have a minus 10. This is equal to 1 times 100. So this implies b minus 10. This is equal to 1. And this implies that b is equal to 1 plus 10. And this is equal to 11. And we have that a minus 10. This is equal to 100. And this implies that a will be equal to 100 plus 10. And this is equal to 110. So that implies that a plus b, this will be equal to 110 plus 11, and this is equal to 121. So this is still the second solution. This is the solution to case 2. Let's move to case 3 here. Now, case 3, we have b minus 10, a minus 10. This is equal to 50 multiplied by 2. So in this case, we have b minus 10. This is equal to 50. And we have a minus 10. This is equal to 2. So here we have b will be equal to 50 plus 10, which is equal to 60. And here a will be equal to 2 plus 10, and this is equal to 12. So a plus b will be equal to 60 plus 12, which is equal to 72. So this is the solution to case 3. Let's move to case 4. Case 4 here. Now case 4 here, we have b minus 10, a minus 10. This is equal to 2 times 50. So b minus 10, this is equal to 2. And we have that a minus 10, this is equal to 50. So b is equal to 2 plus 10, and this is equal to 12. Here we have a will be equal to 50 plus 10, and this is equal to 60. And therefore, a plus b, this will be equal to 12 plus 60, and this is equal to 72. So this is the solution to case 4. Let's proceed to case 5 here. Case 5, we have b minus 10, a minus 10, and this is equal to 25 times 4. So here we have b minus 10, this is equal to 25, and we have a minus 10, this is equal to 4. So this implies that b will be equal to 25, negative 10 becomes plus, so 25 plus 10, this is equal to 35, and a will be equal to 4 plus 10, 4 plus 10, and this is equal to 14. So a plus b will be equal to 35 plus 14. So a plus b will be equal to 35 plus 14, and this is equal to 49. So this is the solution to case 5. Let's proceed to case 6. So case 6 here, we have b minus 10, a minus 10. This is equal to 4 multiplied by 25. So this implies that b minus 10, this is equal to 4, and a minus 10, this is equal to 25. So in this case, b will be equal to 4. Take negative 10 on the right hand side. So 4 plus 10, that is 14. And here a will be equal to 25. So 25 plus 10, and this is equal to 35. So a plus b, this will be equal to 35 plus 14. And so a plus b is equal to 35 plus 14, and this is equal to 49. So let's proceed to case 7. Now case 7 here, we have b minus 10. So for case 7 here, we have b minus 10, a minus 10. This is equal to 10 times 10. So b minus 10, this is equal to 10. We have a minus 10, this is equal to 10. And therefore here, b will be equal to 10 plus 10, and this is equal to 20. For a here, this is a will be equal to 10 plus 10, and this is equal to 20. So a plus b, this is equal to 20 plus 20, and this is equal to 40. So here we have 7 solutions here. That is 1 over a plus 1 over b, which is equal to 1 over 10. These are the solution to this algebra problem. We have 121, we have 121, we have 72, 72, we have 49, we have 49 for the 6 cases, and case 7 here, we have 40. So this is the solution to this algebra problem. This is the solution to this algebra problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and more importantly, please subscribe. Please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.